everybody, welcome back to my Fleatale finds. So this group of jewelry is from the group of bags that I purchased. This is the third video from the group. I purchased 131 pounds of jewelry. I paid $392. I got back already 150 in gold, and I sold 150 of just little scrap pieces. And these are more scrap pieces that I have yet to sell. They're sterling silver, and I have more scrap gold to sell. I've shown you some of the other things that I've purchased or that came out of these bags. And again, this is the kind of bag that it came out of. And these are the rhinestones. So I'm going to be selling this as a lot of rhinestones. So here are, these are just magnificent. They're all Austrian crystal, really good quality. So they're glass, they're not plastic made to look like glass. They're probably from India, but wow, do they have an incredible sparkle to them. So these were both out of the bags. Then this came out. So this is more kind of a more modern take on the rhinestones. Then there's this ring. This is an older piece. This is a newer piece, but nonetheless, a nice look to it. Then this is a really spectacular necklace. This is a collar necklace. It just says China on it, but it is made so beautifully. One would think that there would be a designer's name, but none associated with it. Then here is so this looks like the Panther from Cartier, and really, really nice look. Of course it isn't, but it's costume jewelry with the pave crystal stones and the glass cabochon pieces on the sides. Just made really, really lovely. And again, you could wear it like this, or you could wear it on the side, or you could wear it in the front. And it just has such an appealing look to it. Then here is a little butterfly that was in there. A bunch of rhinestone rings. Here's another older rhinestone pin. This looks like it could be Coro. I'm not really seeing a signature on it, but really nice look to it. Then there are a pair of these red sparkly crystal earrings. A lot of times you'll see the crystal embellished with faux pearls for a different type of look. I don't know if you can tell how sparkly all these pieces are, but they're really stunning. Then here's a popular motif, a nice bow pin. Again, newer, but still a piece made with quality stones. Then here's, I guess, a hair clip or something to be put into the hair. So this is a little bit of an older piece, pink crystal. Look at how that sparkles. And a pair of these nice gold tone, sort of grape looking stylized grape earrings. Here's another bow pin. So this one actually had a price tag on it of $40. I don't know if you can see that, but has a really, really nice look to it. And that's the back. Then here's an example of this is a newer piece of jewelry. You could just tell by the way it's constructed, but nonetheless, the center piece seems to be glass, and so it has a nice weight to it, and the bottom piece as well appears to be glass, so it has a really sparkly look to it. So just because it's newer doesn't mean that it's not a quality piece. It's still not like the older pieces, in my opinion, but gives quite a look. So here's an older vintage piece, and this one has nice baguette stones, and just the way that it's designed and sort of draped, and little pavé stones, just really, really nice. Also an older piece of jewelry, different colors, nice construction, really interesting look. So again, these are newer earrings. Lovely fuchsia colored stones, but there's still a quality to them. And this is what they look like. That's the back of them. Really, really nice piece. Another ring, very sparkly. Another older piece. And then finally, this is a newer piece, but also has a really good look to it. Very sparkly. So these are plastic, probably plastic stones, but they still give a very nice sparkle. They're faceted, just lovely. This is the back of it. So anyway, this was the rhinestone group that I picked up. I hope you've enjoyed going through it, and then in my next video I'm going to go through some of the bags with you of the jewelry that, again, I got 131 pounds of it. Anyway, thank you for joining me. See you next time.